Hi guys, it's me once again, Oren King, personal trainer.
Hey guys, my name is Tracy Price. I'm a certified medium helping to empower the empathic collective.
Alright, today we have a special smoothie, aloe vera smoothie. The aloe vera plant or the leaf is good for good joint health. It's also good for good hydration.
It's also excellent for your digestion and it helps aid your metabolism. So if you want to maintain a healthy weight and have nice clear skin, this is the perfect go-to product to add to any smoothie. So today we're going to do like one of our favorites, which is a banana strawberry smoothie. It tastes like strawberry milk.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So what we've done, we've got 300 milliliters of your favorite milk product. I'm using oat milk. I love the taste of it because for me it's very similar to dairy milk, and I love dairy milk. But it's a better alternative because it's more sustainable. It uses less water to produce this milk. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
And this is actually, I got this cinnamon from Healthy Planet. It's organic, and the flavor is so much better than just like a regular store-bought cinnamon. 1 frozen banana.
Alright, now I'm going to put some strawberries in there. So 2 cups of strawberries. Let's dump it in there. Alright. Get in there. And approximately about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera plant. Okay, as you can see this. Let's dump that in. Just squeeze that out. 1, 2. That should be it.
We have a affiliate link in just below the video for the Aloe Vera Gel, and you can purchase it right from Amazon. We also have a little short clip to show you how to use the whole leaf, which you can find at the grocery store.
Just cut off the top piece. I already cut it. Put that to the side. And you want to take off the prickly parts, okay? So it's easy. You just want to scrape that off like that. Yeah, just like that. Nice and smooth. Bam. It's alright. So you clean that off. And then you do the next side, same thing. Yeah. Just like that. Perfect. Once you get that off, you're going to fillet it. Alright? So what you're going to do is take your knife and slide it there. Just like that. Bam. Boom. Bada bing. Put that to the side. And what I normally do is I just use a spoon and I scrape off the jelly. Just like that. So scrape off all that nice, beautiful jelly. That's going to go in your belly. Just like that. Okay, so all the jelly is off, and you can use this for your face or skin or any type of irritation. You can keep the skin. Alright, let's get blending and see how this tastes. Alright guys, now the smoothie is done, as you can see. And I want to say that I'm honored that you're taking the first step into your health and wellness.
Happy healing!
Cheers. Yummy.
Delicious.
You should try it. It's good. I think that made my smoothie. Let's steal this.